Hi everyone, welcome back to Crystal Flare. I'm Emily, and today we'll come back to something peaceful and sparkly, a butterfly angel suncatcher. This project is relaxing and beginner-friendly, and it makes a lovely gift or a car mirror suncatcher. Before we start, I'll walk you through all the materials you'll need. You can pause the video to check everything carefully. And if you'd like to use exactly what I'm using, I've put together a DIY kit for this project. You'll find the link in the description. Let's get started. Step 1. Arrange the beads. Before starting, lay out your beads in order from bottom to top to create a harmonious color transition from clear to colorful. This arrangement helps guide the stringing process and ensures a pleasing final look. Step 2. Prepare the hanging string. Cut a piece of clear nylon string about 30 to 35 centimeters long. You can use fishing line or other clear thread depending on availability. Tip: gently stretch and smooth out the string a few times to prevent it from curling. This makes the beading process easier and the final suncatcher straighter. Step 3. Attach the teardrop crystal and butterfly charm. Thread one end of the string through the 30mm 1.2-inch teardrop crystal. This will be the bottom of your suncatcher. Slide the metal butterfly charm right above it. Add a crimp bead and pass both ends of the string back through it. Use jewelry pliers to crimp it firmly in place, keeping it snug against the charm and teardrop. Tip: make sure the butterfly is centered and doesn't tilt. Trim off any excess string. Step 4. Create the head and halo. Next, add one 10mm clear crystal as the head. Follow with the rhinestone metal bead, halo. Then add the small plastic flower and one 4mm 0.16-inch bead to finish. Secure this section with a crimp bead. Step 5. Start the bead dangles. Start about 2 finger widths above the last section. Thread a crimp bead, then add one clear 4mm bead, one turquoise 6mm bead, one clear 4mm bead. Add another crimp bead to lock this small set of beads in place. Step 6. Create the main decorative chain. Use the bead layout you arranged earlier. Continue beading with the larger decorative chain. Here's a suggested order: 1 crimp bead, 1 clear 4mm, 1 turquoise 6mm, 1 clear 4mm, 1 AB crystal 8mm, 1 clear 4mm, 1 metal flower petal, 1 clear 10mm, 1 metal flower petal, 1 clear 4mm, 1 AB crystal 8mm, 1 clear 4mm, 1 turquoise 6mm, 1 clear 4mm. Finish with 1 crimp bead. Tip: keep spacing consistent, about 2 finger widths apart, and use crimp beads between groups if needed to maintain form. You're doing great. Step 7. Finish the hanging loop. After adding all your beads, thread the end through 1 last crimp bead. Create a small loop by threading the string back through the same crimp bead. Pull tight, then use jewelry pliers to crimp and secure. Cut off any leftover string. If you're not planning to hang it, you can skip this step and display your piece inside a frame or glass box. Step 8. Final check and adjustments. Inspect your Suncatcher to ensure the beads are well balanced and the string isn't twisted. Hold it up near sunlight or a window to admire the sparkle. And here are some optional enhancements. Add more hanging strands for a cascading effect. Replace the plastic flower with a crystal or pearl for a more luxurious look. Use metallic gold or silver thread instead of clear string for extra shimmer. Thanks so much for creating with me today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, feel free to leave a comment, share your finished Suncatcher, and subscribe to Crystal Flair for more peaceful, creative DIYs. You did a wonderful job, and as always, keep shining.